Want to add a more personal touch to the things you create? You can do that in less than 10 seconds with this laser engraver. Whether it's precise engravings or intricate cuts, regardless of the type and shape of the material, its advanced galvo technology ensures lightning-fast, pinpoint accuracy, accommodating fonts as small as 0.012 inches. Seriously, the speed is truly impressive. The live preview feature provides a clear view of the engraving area, while compatibility with the xTool Creative Space software ensures easy design control. Despite its power, the F1 Laser remains compact and lightweight, suitable for indoor and outdoor use with optional accessories for expanded creativity. In a world of constant software updates, malware can occasionally breach your defenses, crashing your system or disabling your antivirus. FixMeStick is your emergency rescue team. It contains 3 independent scanners and connects to more in the cloud for fast and effective detection of the latest threats. One of FixMeStick's remarkable features includes automatic updates and tech support. While it's not a substitute for real-time antivirus, it's your lifeline in a malware crisis, offering efficient and thorough cleanup. Has your computer already gone to its forefathers? Revive it with the StartMeStick. This innovative plug-and-play solution breathes new life into sluggish PCs, connecting effortlessly to the internet for browsing, emails, and more. Portable and secure, it's your key to a fresh, speedy, and hassle-free computing experience. Worried your phone might take an unexpected flight while you're navigating uneven terrain and the phone mount is too weak? This one will secure your phone with 4 auto-lock arms, while the solid inner mechanism ensures long-lasting performance. The vice-like grip and robust ball joint provide stability even on bumpy rides. With 360-degree adjustability, one-handed operation, and wide compatibility, it's the perfect companion for any adventure. So make sure it's not you who'll fly off the bike. Here's the main issue for those who are into swimming. How are you supposed to track time when you can't see the pace clock? Meet the swimming goggles with a built-in smart display that shows real-time metrics while you swim. Choose the mode and the goggles will detect everything automatically, including intervals, rest, and stroke type. The smartphone app will monitor your progress. With permanent chemical-resistant anti-fog and contoured silicone eye seals, it's the best sports equipment you can imagine. Just swim! Always take some snacks with you along with water? This dual-chamber water bottle is your solution. It combines a 20-ounce outer chamber with a 7-ounce inner chamber, suitable for snacks, cash, or keys, all while keeping your beverages hot or cold for hours thanks to its durable stainless steel construction. Additionally, a durable silicone band ensures a secure grip. Oh, that uncomfortable seating during long events. No problem, this seat will keep you comfortable with its high back padding, adjustable recline, cozy head pillow, and padded armrests. As you can see, it provides comprehensive support from your lower body to your neck, ensuring you're in for a cozy sit. And watch this! You can swivel and follow the game or performance. When it's time to go, simply fold it and use the adjustable backpack straps for easy transport. Tick-tock, tick-tock! This is an authentic Nixie tube clock, but with some modern features. So the first thing you'll notice are those Nixie tubes with numbers. You can configure a variety of different ways to display the date and time, and you can even customize how the time changes. You can pick the color you like or make them change. It's up to you. Nice. But look over here. It's a cyberpunk Nixie tube clock lamp that's perfectly mounted in a well-designed stereo circuit with 3D printed frame supports. And finally, there's a one-of-a-kind clock that not only displays the time, date, and day of the week, but also stands upright as a unique hourglass with a water droplet effect.